Did you misplace your things on the desk? Then you must definitely try this DIY because I'm going to show you how to make your own storage box. Hey guys, this is Yamini and welcome to Sparklebox. I'm sure you're loving our content, so please do subscribe, which gives us lots of boost up to come up with many more creative ideas. Now, let's get started with our today's DIY. Take an A4 sheet and cut it in square. The sides to the center. Flip it and again fold the sides inwards. Observe carefully and fold the sheet. Now make a box. Fold the sheet to make the ears. Take another sheet and draw a circle on it and cut it. With a sketch pen, make the face on the circle. Some orange colored papers for the ears. Now, with a Fevi-stick, paste them. Is ready. Give it a try yourself and share your work in Instagram by tagging us. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. I'll be back with another interesting DIY.